much you can do to counter passing of this quality. Can he pick a cross? Out the ball goes. Mackay. Sagnol. That's a really good ball. Schweinsteiger. Deisler. Trying to set something up. They ran into traffic there. Sagnol. Karimi. Oh yes!
Well, they could pass after pass in this move. What a goal though.
It's a lead, a slender lead. The game is still very much in the balance. It's far from settled.